So this is my next refine. A friend of mine in Hatton Gardens in London gave me this. He said he put it in the XRF machine and it was showing that it was a thick coating of gold on some of the pieces. It's magnetic, so we're going to have to put nitrate and sulfuric together and go from there. So I'm going to weigh it now, and then we'll give it a clean and get it in acid. So that is 217 grams there. We've got all sorts of bits and bobs in there. So yeah, we'll get that in acid and see if there is any gold in there. I should imagine there is. He didn't charge me for it, he gave it to me for free. So, next project, let's get that in the acid. So I'm just going to give this a clean. Got it in vinegar and wash out liquid. I'll keep all the stones in, they'll all come out. All sorts of stuff in there. Anyway, I'll clean that and then we'll put it in acid. So this has all been cleaned now, and this was the water. Look how dirty that water is. That was really dirty. So that's ready to put in acid now, but it's all magnetic. So we're going to have to put sulfuric acid in there with the nitrate. Let's get it cooking. So I'm putting this in the biggest beaker that I've got, just in case. Well, there's going to be a boil over, but hopefully it won't reach the top, because there's all sorts of rubbish in there. So I'll get some water in there first, then I'll put some nitric, and then I'll put some sulfuric acid. See how we get on with that. Right, I've just put the nitrate in there. I've put about 50-50 water and nitrate. So I'll let that do its thing. I'll come back to it and top it up in a minute. Just bubbled up as soon as I put it in there. It's not very vigorous yet, that's good. So this is all dissolved now. All that's left in there is some stones and probably bits of plastic, I don't know, there's just little bits left in there. So I'm going to filter it now. That's what I've been using, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. That's totally dissolved it all. Didn't use much nitric. Maybe half a litre. And sulfuric, maybe 50 millilitres. Okay, so this has been in nitric and sulfuric, and I've filtered it, and that's what that filter looks like there. That filter looks like that. I've got another couple here. They're still being filtered. They've got blocked up, so I'm gonna put them in another filter and get them all together. I'll put a magnet in there so there's any more still. It looks like it's gold there. Wait and see. Okay, I've just took a sample of this liquid. I'm going to put a little bit of hydrochloric acid to see if there's any silver in there. Yeah, it looks like there's a small amount of silver in there. So what I'll do is I'll put some copper in that when it's all filtered. I'll put it into one beaker and I'll put some copper into it. Drop out any silver that's there. That little white cloudiness, the silver. Not a great deal of it, but it was only a small sample and I topped it up with water as well. I don't know if you can see it that well. I'm holding this, holding the phone. I can't zoom in at the same time, but it's there. So we've got gold in here in the filters, and we've got silver there in the waste. Okay. I'm just waiting for this last one to filter. I'll put a brand new filter in there, the cotton wool. See the cotton wool there. Very dirty solutions. Right, I've got the filters in aqua regia now. And the waste, I put some hydrochloric acid to drop the silver. I've been filtering this. I'm just washing it through now. Very dirty. But hopefully we'll drop out some gold, give it another refine. Very dirty solution. I've put urea in now, so I've neutralised the acid. And I've made up some sodium metabisulfate. I'm going to put that in next. I don't think it's going to change colour. I'm going to come back to that in the morning and just filter it out probably. See what we got in the filter. Okay, I've just emptied out this solution, and at the bottom there was a little bit of gold. I'll put it in a separate beaker. This is from that magnetic gold plated stuff that someone gave me in Hatton Gardens. There's a little bit of gold in there, so I'm just going to give it a second refine, then we get a weight on it. So I'll put some hydrochloric acid in. add some nitric acid. That'll be enough. And this is the silver. There was some silver in there as well, so I put some hydrochloric acid in there, and that's dropped out the silver. So I'm going to put that on a bit of heat and let that do its thing. So there's the silver and there's the gold. Okay, this has been in aqua regia now. It's totally dissolved it. I'm just filtering it off now with a bit of cotton. Then we'll drop it out and see what we got. I don't think it's a lot, it's probably about half a gram or something, but it was free, didn't take a lot of acid. Yeah, we'll see. I'll do the silver another time because there's a few bits I've got to do. So I'll put that in with another lot. Okay, this is the second drop. I've just put urea in it and I'm just going to put sodium metabisulfate in it. I've just mixed some up. So we'll be dropping the gold out for the last time. So I've just added the S&B and it's gone white and it should go black. There won't be a lot of gold in there, so it may take a while. It looks like it's getting a black ring around the top. And that's starting to go now. Finally, that's the gold dropping out. So I'll come back to that when it's dropped and we'll filter it out and get a weight on it. So this is that little bit of gold that man gave me, Musa. He gave me it in London. That's his card there. Hatton Gardens. So if you want to buy cheap gold or even sell, he'll give you a top price. He'll give you a spot price. So yeah, he gives good money, that man. So let's give a little away. It's not a lot. It was free, and he also gave me some silver as well. Let's zero this off. Okay. That's how much it was. Nice and clean now. Let's add 2 refines. So nearly a gram. And when that's alright for free, that's worth £100. So it was really nice of him to give me some stuff to refine. And I've got a few grams, I think, out of the silver he gave me already. And there's nearly a gram in gold as well. Beautiful colour. Yeah, so that one's finished. Thanks myself for that. Very nice.